Greetings. Soon and very soon we shall enter into the great divine light. This is Yolandi, Vanessa, your sister, Vanessa Yolandi Iset, stepping out into the light. 2018, here we come. Yes, it's been a while, and it's time to reconnect. Yes, time to reconnect with yourself, your true self, and time to reconnect, of course, with all that we've neglected to connect with, that is essential to our journey of awakening, our journey of enlightenment, our journey of consciousness. So I'm stepping out. It is almost 6 p.m. here in beautiful Jamaica, and I have to say to you, be true to yourself. Trust your instincts, and trust when your body tells you something deep inside itself, when it screams at you, when it whispers at you, because I have to share this evening walk with you. Walk with me, walk with me, walk with me. Yeah. Beautiful nature. Stepping into my garden, right? And more than anything else, what I'm sharing with you is every chance that you get, ground on the magnetic, powerful energies of the earth. Every chance that you get to connect with nature, do it. Listen to that inner need that wants to be outside. Listen to your children when they want to come outside and play and just be in the open air. Just to be in nature. That alone is a big step towards healing, towards enlightenment, towards opening your consciousness. Just coming out and seeing, say, a beautiful flower like this. That in itself is a healing energy. The vibrancy of the color. Just the beauty of creation and what it offers to us so freely. What sometimes you take for granted, what sometimes you heed to give glory to and to give awe to. The simplest thing is the greatest thing. And I have to say to you that no matter what you're going through, no matter how rough it is, no matter how hard it is, no matter how bad the struggle might be, no matter the fight that you might be getting or the fight that you feel that you're getting, nature is always encompassing, comforting, and accepting. So, first tip from Yolandi Iset, your sister, and those who know me as Vanessa. First tip: make use of what you have. Make use of what you have and utilize it until you get what you want. Because what you have, though it may seem simple, it is the greatest thing if you're gloriful in it. This is a beautiful scent of the lemongrass or the fever grass. I am blessed enough that I don't have to buy it. I can just squeeze a leaf and the scent hit me and resonate. But if you don't even have this, smell a roses, look at a flower, look at the sky, look at the stars, You know? Put your naked feet on the ground and find your balance. Blessed love. Enough more coming. Love and light. The simplest things in life are the greatest. Subscribe and share. Love, love.